So I bought this 50 amp plug because it was really reasonably priced on Amazon, and it looked pretty decent, and it's really heavy duty. This thing's super heavy. It has a little locking thing. When you shut it, you push that deal in and it snaps shut. It also has a little hole here for a lock. You stick a padlock through there and you can lock this box so that kids can't get in it. And I already took it apart to see what it looked like, and there's two little screws that hold this down. Once you get them screws out, this will pop right out. It's basically just your standard NEMA 1450. Has the ground, that green is the ground, and you run your ground wire to that screw over there, and then you put your left and your right lines for 240 volt, and then that silver one is your common. It looks good. This is a really nice plug, and I'm impressed. But it has 3 inlets for your wiring, one on the bottom and one on each side. This is a little cap where you can access through the top. It looks good. I like it.